Wisconsin, if you're spending a beautiful afternoon puttering around the yard or looking up at your house from the driveway, you've probably wondered what little projects actually make a difference to your home's appearance. You don't need a massive landscaping budget or a team of contractors to make your house stand out. Today, we're sharing some genuine real estate advice on how to completely transform your home's exterior for under $200 in just one weekend. In the real estate world, we talk a lot about the 10-second rule. When guests, neighbors, or appraisers pull into your driveway, that very first 10 seconds sets their entire expectation for the rest of the property. A clean, updated exterior sends a subtle signal that the inside of the house is just as well cared for. So, if we only had $200 to maximize that first impression, here is exactly where we would spend the money. First up, fresh mulch. Nothing makes a front yard look instantly cleaner and more polished than a fresh layer of dark mulch. Before you pour it, take a spade and cut a sharp, crisp edge along your grass and garden beds. For about $50 to $75 in bagged mulch from your local hardware store, you can instantly hide stubborn weeds. Protect your plants and create a beautiful high-contrast frame for your home. It's a small detail that makes the entire lawn look professionally managed. Next, let's look at the details. Take a walk down to your mailbox or look closely at the numbers next to your front door. If you still have faded plastic stickers or those thin, tarnished brass numbers from the 1990s, it's time for an upgrade. Spending $30 to $50 on large, modern, architectural house numbers is one of the easiest ways to make an older home look instantly updated. Stick to high-contrast colors like sleek matte black against light siding or crisp white against dark brick, and make sure they are easily readable from the street. Finally, let's talk about the focal point of your entire exterior, the front door. This is where the eye naturally travels, so you want it to look inviting. We would spend the remaining $50 to $75 on a single gallon of high-quality exterior paint and a couple of simple planters. A fresh coat of paint in a classic, sophisticated color. Think deep navy blue, bold charcoal, or a traditional rich red can make an old door look brand new. Pop a couple of low-maintenance green shrubs or seasonal flowers on the porch, and your entryway is completely transformed. When you add it all up, you've spent less than $200, but the visual impact is massive. Curb appeal isn't about rewriting the script of your house. It's about highlighting its best features with a little bit of time and intentionality. You save your budget, keep your weekend simple, and give your home a fresh look you can be proud of. Thanks for spending a few minutes of your weekend with us. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday, take care, and we'll see you next time.